Okay, CMTV lovers, come back again with my channel CMTV, and now I will show you my chicken farm that I manage by back to the nature or return to the nature, and what difference between my chicken farm and between to the other chicken farm, because my chicken farm managed by back to the nature, and I will show you about detail of my chicken coop and chicken food and different between the other chicken farm. Okay, if you just find this channel CMTV, don't forget to remember subscribe and like and share this video to the other, to friend and your family. Okay, I will show you about coop of my chicken farm and different to the other. Come on. CMTV lovers, that is my chicken farm that I manage by back to the nature or return to the nature. This is my chicken, two chicken of to the other. Okay, I will show you indoor of coop of the my chicken farm, and I will show you about a different to the other chicken farm. Okay, this is the first shelter and then the other shelter. Oh yeah, I will show you about to the other. My chicken farm, like you see, there is different. This is my chicken, and the first different from the other, the floor of my chicken coop. This is rice husk. This is rice husk. Okay, yes, this is rice husk, and I get it from the rice mill for about 3 kilometers from this my farm, and I get it very cheap. And why I make this rice husk for the floor of my chicken coop? The first, rice husk can high absorber from to water, and it means if the chicken faces of the chicken will absorb by rice husk, this rice husk. So the chicken coop no smell because the faces will mix by rice husk, so the no ammonia in this chicken coop, so no smell in this my chicken coop. Second, the second of rice husk function, this is make temperature of the space in the in this chicken coop will stable and not cool but warm, because this is not feed of the chicken like this. So the temperature of the floor will warm every time, night, morning, afternoon, stable, warm. Okay, this is function of rice husk. Okay, the other difference in my chicken coop with the other chicken farm from this. So we open one of we make a window, so the air will fresh every time like this. And the other difference with chicken coop to the other chicken farmer is about chicken food. As long as I make this farm, I make chicken food by the nature. No chemia, no chemia, no chemia. All of chicken food is herbal, all back to the nature, return to the nature. Okay, I will show you about chicken food from this farm. This my family farm of chicken coop. For example, this is my chicken uh, for about 4 months. 4 months. This is male and female chicken. This is male chicken, and 3 of them is female chicken. Yes, they very healthy, and because this uh, from the chicken food that I make from the nature. CMTV lovers, this is chicken food in my chicken farm. This is all of the raw material back to the nature. We get to the nature. The first or the main material raw is bran. Bran we get from mill rice, 3 kilometers from this farm. It's very cheap. And then second raw material is vegetable. Vegetable from leaf papaya or papaya leaf, and we get unripe papaya or ripe papaya, and then water. This is all of raw material, very good, cheap and healthy. Cheap because the raw material we get from the nature. For example, the bran we get from the rice mill and very cheap. And then vegetable or fruit, leaf papaya or ripe papaya and unripe papaya we get from our garden. So free, no charge, no money. Healthy because from papaya leaf or unripe and ripe papaya, many vitamin A vitamin, B vitamin, and the other vitamin. And this food can increase health of my chicken, increase the immunity. Very good for my chicken, like this. This is very healthy chicken.